My name is Takashi Ikegami. Recently, I'm doing a new way of understanding categorization and an interaction between two agents. That is, first of all, I propose dynamical category, which is agent doesn't have any internal representation, but when they move around in the space, then they naturally get the sense of category by their own style of motion. So the category for the agents of the world means that they have a style of motion corresponding to the category. Right? So the sensory motor flow with some time structure provides how the agent can categorize the world. Okay. So in other words, some of the objects in the world selects the style of motion of the agent. So it's not the style of motion is not prefixed in the agent, but the interaction with the object can create the style of motion for the agent. Right? And then we move on to the interaction between agents. The style of motion in communication is more important than what are the motion structures that they create. I mean, the style of motion is how when we interacting with each other, we there's a synchrony of the hand movements or something, right? And then this synchrony of hand movement is developed into more complex ones. That's why I'm interested in, and which I think it's grounding the further development of language. And for the concrete example, I simulated turn-taking behaviors with two agents. Each agent has a neural architecture inside. I used a standard genetic algorithm to develop the neural architecture to let agents to take turns. First of all, agents have a simple style of motion, so they just make a regular and periodic behaviors to take turns. But when I develop them further, they have more irregular turn-taking styles. So with these irregular chaotic turn-taking styles, they can more adaptively change their styles with respect to who are you going to take turn with, right? And also their styles of motion are more creative in a sense that when the style of motion you are using to take turn with this guy can be different from what the turn-taking style that you are taking with another guy. So the variety of turn-taking behavior, styles of motion, is the characteristic of the chaotic turn-takers. So I think this dynamic repertory of the styles of motion, which is emerging in chaotic turn-takers, can be a bootstrapping mechanism for further development of linguistic interaction.